Hello guys, welcome to Orman's Knowledge. After a long time I'm here for you to make a tutorial for you. So guys, I was so busy in my studies, that's why I couldn't make a tutorial for you. So today this is the new tutorial I brought for you, that is about the Spotify music is now available for Windows 10, and this would be a great chance for us to download it and use it, because Microsoft has now enabled the Microsoft Store to download it for free. Now it doesn't exist any paid promotion or any rupees, so we can download it easily. Just open your Microsoft Store and type for Spotify music. You can see here, just search it. Wow, this is the Spotify music now available for us. You can see here the Spotify music. I'm in the page of Spotify music, and this is a great platform that we can download it from Microsoft Store. And now of course we can play our favorite songs and albums free on Windows 10 Spotify. Stream them. We can also stream the tracks we love instantly, browse the charts, or fire up ready-made playlist in every genre and mood. Radio plays and great song after great song based on your music taste. You can discover the new music too with awesome playlist built just for you. So these are the screenshots of Spotify music. You can see here it's now free, available for all of us. We can download it easily. I have already downloaded this Spotify music. You can download it with free, no paid promotion. So just today I thought that there should be a tutorial about this, because a lot of people don't know about the Spotify. Microsoft has now enabled Microsoft Store that we can download it for free. So guys, this was the video about Spotify music that is now available for Windows 10, and before it was not available for Windows 10. It was a paid app. So thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.